Channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to connect Netvue camera to Wi-Fi. So guys, if you want to connect your Netvue camera to Wi-Fi, so guys, it is very easy. First of all, power on the camera. So connect your camera to the power cord and wait about 5-15 seconds until you hear the prompt tone and see the lights turn on. After, download the native app on your iOS on the Android device and register for a new account or log in if you are already have one. Then guys, after that, click the option of tab sign in the top right corner of the app homepage and select your specified camera module. Then guys, press and hold the reset and configuration button and locate at the top of your back until the status light flashes green. The app will confirm when you hear the prompt tone. After that guys, select your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network from the list and enter your Wi-Fi password. So this is the way that you connect. After that, scan the QR code. The app will generate the QR code on your device. Hold your phone screen in the front of your camera lens at the distance of about 3 to 6 inches until you hear the ding dong sound. Then camera will connect to your router. A cheerful melody indicates the successful connection, while a sad sound means it's failed. Once connected, name your device app. Then ensure your router is broadcasting on the 2.4 GHz net frequency. Dual band router need have 5 GHz band temporary. Second, keep the camera close to your router within a few feet during the initial pairing. And double check your Wi-Fi password and typo, most common reason for failed connections. Okay, double check your password also. So guys, thank you.